Here we go, Ray. There we are again.
Okay, here we go again.
Here we go again.
So, so we're online. So what are we going to talk about this week?
Yeah, this week actually it came. I get asked for tips and hits on a career, Ray. People uh, have been hitting me online, asking me, "Oh, could you give me some tips and tricks on how did you land your job?"
All right, yeah, yeah. How I would say, obviously we've got engineers are going to have to upskill away from your traditional networking um, paths. Still going to need the foundations of CCNA,
Yeah.
CCNP, but we're really looking into the future of upskilling the guys into a more AI focused future.
Yeah, let me just put in terms of agenda. If you have just come across this channel, my name is Diego, from Brazil, with this poor accent, still struggling and learning. But fortunately, I have encountered this amazing guy here, Ray. And yeah, we've been trying to come up here every now and then, putting some very good content, particularly for you if you are struggling to get into IT, to break into this crazy world of technology. This is the right place to stay. I would probably be inviting you to subscribe to our channel, share the channel with someone else who could be again struggling to take the first steps in this IT world. Today we'll be talking about, as we said, career. How actually you can build up your career. How can you prepare yourself in terms of technology? What technology? What kind of technologies are just pumping out there? And in terms of how to land your first job, we'll be talking about a very interesting method because we've been around for ages, right?
Forever. Yeah, forever. Yeah. We're really looking at, obviously, there's nothing to say that you're not going to still need the foundation, but really, employers will be looking for a lot more skills to point towards these new technologies. We're not going to sugarcoat it. If you want and you're ready, you really need to start embracing some of these technologies and looking at the path that you're going to go for in your IT career. It's just which area you would specialize in most at the moment. And yeah, I think it's what Diego said. We're going to forget everything you know about breaking into tech. The old playbook is dead.
Yeah.
We're going to be looking at other areas, but obviously, if you're a complete newbie, you still need to know your basics. Whatever happens, you're always going to need to start on that journey. You need to get them basic qualifications.
Yeah, that's great. You said the right phrase. Like the old playbook is definitely dead. Interestingly, I'll share my screen just to show you something actually like proof you're talking about. We see AI pretty much everywhere. Even the concept of network seems to be different. I think it has changed or changing. Let me just bring something here. Yeah, this is the famous Gartner, one of those, I think, well known and probably one of the best institutions when it comes to statistics and tech. They pretty much they've been talking about trends forever. And when it comes to 2025 top strategic key technology trend, you see AI everywhere again. As I said, let's just bring here something. This is the point. The first top is again related to AI, agentic AI. It's pretty much replacing people uh, for AI agent. Agentic, like long story short, not first of all, I'm still learning, but it's pretty much creating a group or like a staff, a team of agent. Each agent would have its own function role, and you can put those agents to talk to each other like a company. You can create a company with agents. It's interesting. It's